Hi, this is R58, and I told you I'd be back whenever I got the new 67,000 RPM motors for my e010, and here they are. They're installed. Can you see them? Oh, look at them. They're pretty. They're like a purple, I guess, or I guess some color, something like that. And I also see I put a C-Jump 220 battery in it. Gives it about 30% more run time, and it works. It works fantastic. It has a whole lot more torque, and it will do flips like you won't believe. I'll show you a few here. We'll be back in just a minute. Well, here we got the e010, and this is the new motors installed. I was having a little trouble with this battery a while ago, plugging in correctly. Okay, hopefully it'll stay plugged in. I don't know, the connector ain't right or something. And all right, and you'll get to see and here we're up again. We got a new battery in it. And look at it go. Ain't that marvelous? For some reason it's drifted a little. There we go. We about got that out of it. Okay. Tomorrow we'll take it outside and I'll show you. Look at that, how much more torque it has. It flips with vigor. Before it would just drop out. So I'm thinking it's got a lot more torque. Look at that. It just flips with vigor. All right, so I think that's all we're going to show for tonight, because the inside is just not a good place to film. I don't have enough lighting, but I mean, it just flies effortlessly. And if you'd like for me to upgrade your e010 for you, I'd be glad to. Just leave me a comment and I'll tell you how to get a hold of me. And I'd be glad to order them, and it'll take a while. It took me about 60, almost 70 days to get them motors. But yeah, this is R58, and we'll see you tomorrow when I take it outside and show you how it works outside. Bye. Fire this baby up. There we go. Now watch it. It has got so much better flipping powers than it had before. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my land. It's got amazing torque now. Look at that. Everybody ought to have a set of 67,000 RPM motors. That is just marvelous. And outside, it does amazing. But look at it, it's just effortlessly. Oh, I'm out of battery.